Welcome to the world of square-foot gardening, a revolutionary method for growing more food in less space. This technique, developed by Mel Bartholomew, simplifies gardening for everyone. It's perfect for beginners, urban dwellers, or anyone with limited yard space. Square-foot gardening focuses on creating small, raised garden beds. These beds are then divided into 1 foot by 1 foot squares. Each square becomes a dedicated planting area, allowing for incredibly efficient use of your garden space. This method takes the guesswork out of traditional row gardening. You'll learn exactly how much to plant and where. It's a systematic approach that guarantees success, even if you've never gardened before. Square-foot gardening offers numerous advantages over conventional methods. Firstly, it's incredibly efficient, allowing you to grow significantly more produce in a smaller footprint. This is ideal for urban environments or small backyards. Secondly, you'll experience far less weeding. The dense planting in each square naturally shades out weeds, reducing your maintenance time. This means more time enjoying your harvest and less time pulling unwanted plants. Another key benefit is water conservation. With square-foot gardening, you water precisely where it's needed. This targeted approach minimizes runoff and evaporation, saving water and promoting healthier plant growth. The specialized soil mix used in square-foot gardening provides optimal nutrients. This leads to healthier, more productive plants. Plus, raised beds are easier on your back and knees, making gardening accessible to more people. The first step is constructing your garden bed. A common size is 4 feet by 4 feet, which provides 16 square feet of growing area. You can also opt for a 4 foot by 8 foot bed if you have more space. Choose a sunny location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure the area is level and has good drainage. Avoid spots prone to standing water or heavy shade. For materials, untreated wood like cedar or redwood is excellent for durability. You can also use composite lumber or even stone. The bed walls should be at least 6 inches deep, but 12 inches is ideal for most plants. Once your frame is built, line the bottom with hardware cloth or landscape fabric. This helps deter pests like gophers and voles from burrowing into your bed. It also prevents weeds from growing up from below. The heart of square-foot gardening is Mel's Mix, a specialized soil blend. This mix provides the perfect balance of aeration, drainage, and nutrient retention. It's far superior to ordinary garden soil. Mel's Mix consists of 1/3 compost, 1/3 vermiculite, and 1/3 peat moss. The compost provides essential nutrients and beneficial microbes. Use a variety of compost types for a broader nutrient profile. Vermiculite improves drainage and aeration while retaining moisture. Peat moss, or a sustainable alternative like cocoa coir, helps hold water and nutrients. This combination creates an ideal growing medium for almost any plant. Thoroughly mix these 3 components together before filling your raised bed. Ensure the mix is light and fluffy, not compacted. This perfect blend eliminates the need for tilling and significantly reduces watering frequency. Once your bed is filled with Mel's Mix, it's time to create the grid. This grid is crucial for the square-foot method. It visually divides your bed into 1 foot by 1 foot squares. You can create the grid using thin strips of wood, plastic, or even string. Attach them to the top edges of your bed frame. This visual separation helps you manage your planting and spacing precisely. The grid serves as a constant reminder of your planting plan. It prevents overcrowding and ensures each plant has adequate space to thrive. It's a simple yet highly effective organizational tool. Maintaining the grid throughout the growing season is important. It helps you track what you've planted in each square and when. This makes succession planting and crop rotation much easier to manage. Now for the exciting part, planting. The number of plants you place in each square depends on the plant's mature size. This is where the square-foot method truly shines in maximizing space. For large plants like tomatoes or peppers, you'll plant 1 per square. Medium-sized plants, such as lettuce or broccoli, might allow for 4 plants per square. Smaller plants, like carrots or radishes, can be planted 16 per square. Refer to a square-foot gardening chart for specific plant spacing recommendations. These charts are readily available and incredibly helpful for beginners. They take the guesswork out of plant density. Consider companion planting within your squares. Certain plants grow better together, deterring pests or enhancing growth. For example, marigolds can deter nematodes, and basil can improve tomato flavor. Watering in a square-foot garden is more efficient than in traditional rows. Because the soil mix retains moisture well, you'll generally water less frequently. Focus on deep, infrequent watering. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger about an inch or two deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water slowly and directly at the base of the plants, avoiding wetting the foliage. Weeding is minimal in square-foot gardens due to dense planting. Any weeds that do appear are usually easy to spot and pull. Regular, quick checks will keep your garden weed-free. Fertilizing is also simplified. Mel's Mix provides initial nutrients, but as plants grow, they'll need more. Top dress your squares with a thin layer of compost every few weeks or as needed. Harvesting regularly encourages more production from your plants. Pick vegetables when they are ripe and ready. This signals the plant to produce more, extending your harvest season. Once a square is harvested, don't leave it empty. This is where succession planting comes in. Immediately replant that square with a new crop. This maximizes your garden's productivity throughout the growing season. Choose new plants that are suitable for the current season. For example, after harvesting cool season lettuce, you might plant warm season beans. This continuous cycle ensures a steady supply of fresh produce. Keep a simple garden journal to track what you've planted and when. This helps with planning future rotations and ensures you don't deplete specific nutrients in certain squares. Start small and expand as you gain confidence. A single 4x4 footbed is a great starting point. You'll learn the ropes without feeling overwhelmed. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plants. Square-foot gardening is forgiving, and the small squares make it easy to try new varieties. Enjoy the process of discovery. Observe your plants closely for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection makes management much easier. Healthy plants are more resilient to problems. By following these steps, you're well on your way to a thriving square-foot garden. Enjoy the fresh flavors, the satisfaction of growing your own food, and the joy of connecting with nature. Happy gardening!